Ano ang sabi? Ang laki nito, grabe. It's really huge, man. Nung nakita ko siya, yan lang ang nasabi ko. Kaya ang sarap pag-usapan nito. At gagawin natin yan dito sa video na to kasama ang Photon Tunland V7. Let's go!
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Alam naman natin ang pickup segment, it's probably the most competitive in the market. As in, ang hirap mamili kung alin ang kukunin mo. Pero at the same time, kung alam mo na gusto mo, madali na rin. Pero yun nga, kung tumitingin ka sa market ng bagong pickup truck, kung alin man ang pipiliin mo o undecided ka, syempre kasi you're looking for something that has that proud and bold look. Yung talagang sakto sa lifestyle mo at kayang-kaya kang dalhin kung saan ka man pupunta. Kahit saan pa yan. Given that all pickup trucks on every brand has a lot to offer, talagang overall value, talagang makikita mo sa bawat isa sa kanila. But then in the process of choosing a pickup truck, kung malaking bagay sa iyo yung pricing, and I guess for almost all car buyers, it is a big factor. Kasi apart from the attractive pricing, maraming pang attract ang pickup truck na to. Kaya umpisahan na natin kung ano-ano to. These are the 7 reasons why you should consider Photon Tunland V7. Number 1, full size ang design. Dimensions po niya kasi it's more than 5.5 meters long, more than 2 meters wide, and almost 2 meters tall. Talagang macho, commanding ang presence niya sa kalsada. Kita naman that it has that American-inspired look, vertical LED headlights. Ang ganda ng grille, very muscular ang look dito sa harap. Mapa side view, sa likod. I mean, when I saw it, it's like the Ford F-150 or some say it's the Silverado. Kaya yun na isa sa mga nasabi ko, wow, it's like an F-150. Talaga namang napaka-macho, really big, really huge. Number 2, surprisingly, premium ang interior. One of the biggest surprises, well, kasi napaka-premium po ng look dito sa loob. You get a huge 14.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 12.3-inch ang kanyang instrument cluster, power adjustable ang seats, leather po ang upholstery, modern connectivity meron siya kasi meron po siyang Apple CarPlay. Di ko alam bakit po wala siyang Android Auto. But then, kita naman na with its wide body platform, napaka-spacious ng interior. Very roomy, kitang-kita na masarap to sa daily trips, very comfortable ang mga sasakay dito. Ang ganda ng gauges all throughout the layout of the dashboard, the way everything looks. I don't know how to clearly explain it, para bang you have this commanding presence. May mga nakasabay ka sa kalsada, talagang mapapatingin sila. At parang siguro may dating na medyo iiwasan ka nila dahil talaga naman it looks like a monster pickup truck. Number 3, modern features and safety. Well, it offers the following features. Meron po siyang power features, meron siyang ESP, Electronic Stability Program, ABS with EBD, may reverse camera and radar, mga safety systems like TPMS, at meron ding hill start assist, at meron din siya ng mga blind spot detection, forward collision warning, lane change assist, at hindi lang yan, ito pa po yung mga ibang features. Number 4, strong, decent, modest diesel engine. At the heart of this pickup truck is a 2-liter Alcon turbo diesel, combined po with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. All in all, it produces 160 horsepower and a massive 450 Newton meters of torque. So the mild hybrid system, it's more of a helper. Tinutulungan po niya na umusad yung pickup truck from acceleration from a standstill. It reduces lag and improves efficiency. At yung power niya, delivery po ay very smooth through the 8-speed automatic transmission. At you may say, ang laki-laki naman dito, isa po yun sa mga na-notice. Pero 2-liter diesel lang. But I get the concept kasi para siyang hindi compatible o hindi match. But who am I to say that? Hindi naman ako mas magaling kaysa sa mga engineers, na mga experts na nag-design, naggumawa nito. And right now, diesel engines, you don't really need a lot of, hindi na siya more on palakihan. The advancement in technology, kaya na po mag-produce ng more power from a 2-liter diesel engine. Kaya hindi na rin po yan surprising. Number 5, real capability for work, off-road, or towing. Well, it's a pickup truck, so ladder frame chassis po and leaf spring ang rear suspension. Ine-emphasize po niyan is durability and load carrying strength. So as we all know how the platform of pickup trucks are, ito din po yun. Well, they say it's around 3,500 kilograms ang towing power nito. A little less than 1 ton sa kanyang carrying capacity dito sa kanyang likod, which is not bad. Alam naman natin na hindi ka naman siguro magkakarga ng napakabigat na sobra. Now, as we all know, pickup trucks, lifestyle vehicles now. Kaya mas madalas walang halos lamang ang likod ng mga pickup truck, lalo na pag ginagamit po dito sa city. Number 6, outstanding value for money. Well, this pickup truck cost 1.758 for the 4x2 and 1,888,000 for the 4x4. Both of them automatic transmission po. At this price point, you'll get a full-size hybrid powered pickup truck, big on torque. Tech features talagang makikita mo lang halos sa mga pricier pickup trucks na mga competitors nila sa market na talagang yun ang mga nag-ahari. Pero makikita mo naman sa ino-offer nito. It's really legit value for money. And lastly, number 7, built for both work and lifestyle. If you need a workhorse, this pickup truck is designed for a good payload. Sabi ko nga, truck base, normal pickup truck. As I've said, pickup trucks are lifestyle vehicles now. This particular vehicle, this pickup truck, did its best to provide you a comfortable ride. So no matter how you use it, whatever the case may be, a daily driver, family hauler, off-road hobbyist, or you're a business owner, this particular pickup truck will work out fine for you. At dito po sa Photon, Chino Roses, Along Pasong Tamo, Makati, ito po uli ang pricing ng Tunland V7 for both 4x2 and 4x4. Sa pagtatapos, para sa akin, napakasimple lang. Imagine niyo na lang, at the price of less than 1.9M, ganitong klaseng pickup truck ang maiuwi mo. It's huge, not only on looks, also on savings. Ito po ang Photon Tunland V7. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe always. And I'll see you on the next one.